This module has 8 outputs that can be used to power devices in the cabinet, such as a mercury board, providing a fused output for each QXEP, or can be used to power field devices in the same manner. We have the same B1, B2, BR connections on the left side as the other modules, and since this is the last module in line, we have no flex IO or B connections on the right-hand side. The yellow jumper settings can toggle between voltage selections using position 1 and position 2. The LED indicators right above the terminal block are an indicator for each output and hold a solid color, with blue representing 24 volts and green representing 12 volts.